Welcome to MKP Captain channel. If you are boring with these generation smartphone devices, get ready because Xiaomi is get tired you're boring. With the latest 4D surrounding display Mi Max Alpha, Xiaomi is set the stage for launching their most amazing smartphone Xiaomi Mi Max Alpha. Xiaomi is launching various products at an event in China today. The smartphone manufacturer will introduce MIUI 11 today alongside the next generation MIUI. Xiaomi will launch two smartphones including the Mi Max Alpha and Mi 9 5G. Xiaomi Mi Max series has always pushed the boundaries of phone screen and form factors from the original model that kick it off the bezels wars to last year's sliding notchless Mi Max 3. Now just as we are starting to see waterfall display with extreme curved edge, Xiaomi is taking that to a wild new level with the new Mi Max Alpha. The surround screen on the Alpha wraps entirely around the device to the point where it meets the camera module on the other side. The effect is of a phone that almost completely made of a screen with status icon like network signal and a battery charge level displayed on the side. Pressure sensitivity volume buttons are also shown on the side of the phone. Xiaomi is claiming more than 180% screen to body ratio, a stats that no longer make any sense to cite at all. Screen to body ratio is used to denote the amount of a screen compared to the size of the phone cases itself. The higher the screen to body ratio, the smaller the bezel. The iPhone 11 Pro has a screen body ratio 82%. Huawei Mate 30 Pro ratio is 94.1% and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is 91% the screen body ratio. Chinese company Xiaomi unveiled on a Monday Mi Max Alpha, a phone it says has screen to body ratio 180.6. Yes, you hear the right. The Mi Alpha uses Samsung new 108 megapixel camera sensor, which was co-developed with Xiaomi as with other recent high-resolution Samsung sensor pixels are combined in 2x2 square for better light sensitivity in low light, which in this case will produce 27 megapixel image. The concept phone display wraps around the side of the phone and extends all the way the back. The only bezel on the phone is narrow strip on the back which house the camera setup. That's the camera setup. It combined in a 108 megapixel shooter with 12 megapixel telephoto lens for 2x optical zoom and 20 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. The camera shoot 12,032 by 9,024 resolution photos. Xiaomi says that's lot of pixel. More pixel does not always mean better photo. The Huawei P20 Pro take excellent photo with 40 megapixel lens, but the Google Pixel 3 take equal if not better photo with a 12.2 megapixel lens. But it's hard not to be intrigued by 108 megapixel to show off its pros. Xiaomi demand a photo taken with the camera and then shown that you can zoom in up to 8x without losing much detail at all. The side of the phone will show reminder and notification. The back will be dormant when you are using the phone as usual using the front screen, but will turn on when you flip the phone around. There you will have a display which is shortcut to your most used app, and your selfie game is about to be stronger than ever. When you turn the Mi Max Alpha around, the rear camera become a front camera. You will use that at all 108 megapixel of it to shoot your selfies. The phone run on the premium hardware you'd expected, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus CPU and 12GB RAM and 512GB of storage. When the Mi Max Alpha is come to the market, however, only a small number of units will be made and they will cost around 20,000 yuan, which is converted to 2,800 plus dollars. So this is the key specification of the Mi Max Alpha. Wrap around display with 108.6 screen to body ratio, Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus, 12GB of RAM, 512GB storage, 108 megapixel camera, plus 20 megapixel wide angle and plus 12 megapixel telephoto sensor, 4050 mAh battery, 40-watt variant fast charging Android based MIUI 11 operating system. So this is it. I will keep update about more this Xiaomi Mi Alpha. So hit the subscribe button, like this video and comment how much you exciting for this device. See you in the next video. Bye bye.